Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 3 studio lights. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we selected, Godox AD200 Pro. Specifications. Brand name, Godox. Godox model, AD200 Pro. Model number, AD200 Pro. Display, yes. Compatible camera brand, Lumix, Fujifilm, Pentax, Sony, Canon, Nikon, Olympus. TTL, yes. High-speed synchronous HSS, yes. Package, yes. Power source, lithium battery. Certification, C. The item number 2 is Sokani P25. Specifications. Brand name, Eshot. Origin, mainland China. Color temperature, others. Lighting type, on-camera video lights. Package, yes. Model number, Sokani P25. Certification, C. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Godox V865. Specifications. Brand name, Godox. Godox model, V865. Origin, mainland China. Model number, V863. Display, yes. Compatible camera brand, Lumix, Fujifilm, Sony, Canon, Nikon, Olympus. TTL, yes. High-speed synchronous HSS, yes. Package, yes. Power source, Li-ion battery. Certification, C. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.